So guys, what's up? We're about at the halfway point of our painting here. And what's going on here is I'm recreating one of my old paintings. It's a painting I did a while back. You might remember it from a long time ago. Anyway, what I'm doing is recreating this for a customer. And he wanted me to add in another person right around here. So that's what I've done here. I added another dude right here, another boy. We got our board, we got our family portrait going on here in my crazy unique style. So what we're going to do is go ahead and roll a time lapse and just keep slapping it down. We're going to put some more color and flap that black. Alright, let's go.